Question 13, we're asked for the characteristic quadratic for this guy. Now there's n plus 2, no n plus 1, so no x. And then we have our constant, so it's going to be 4x squared minus 1 equals to naught, which is the difference of two squares. 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 is equal to naught. So alpha is 1 over 2, and beta is minus 1 over 2. We're asked to solve the difference equation given u0 and u1. So u0 is L plus m, which is equal to 2, and u1 is alpha a half times L plus beta, which is minus a half times m, is also equal to 2. Multiplying by 2, I'll get L minus m is equal to 4. L minus m is equal to 4, and then up above we have L plus m is equal to 2. So 2L is equal to 6, L is equal to 3, and if L is 3, m is minus 1. So my difference equation will become, so un or tn, whatever way you want to write it, un is equal to L times alpha to the power of n plus m, which is minus, so minus m1, I'll put the 1 in, times beta, which is minus a half to the power of n. I have to find u2 and u3, so put 2 in for n. We get 3 times, well, a half to the power of 2 is the 1 to the power of anything is 1, so it's just 1 over 4. Minus 1 times minus a half squared is going to be positive 2. So it's going to be 1 over 4 as well. So that's 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4, which is equal to 2 over 4, which is a half. Try to fit it in on one screen here. u3 is going to be 3 times a half to the power of 3 minus 1 times minus a half to the power of 3. So 3 by 1 over 8 is 3 over 8. And then we have a minus, and then this is going to be minus 1 over, that should be a 2 on the bottom, that's going to be minus 1 over 8, so that's going to be plus 1 over 8, which is 4 over 8, which is also a half. And then the limit of this, well, the limit of it's going to be 3 times 0 minus 1 times 0, so the limit is going to be equal to 0 for part 4.